Hello everybody, it is Wednesday, August 16, 2017. This is independent Richway distributor here, Danny Zen in Hollywood, Florida. Just got the delivery from my UPS man, the man in brown, of a slightly used Richway Amethyst Far Infrared Minimat that I had shipped to me from a fellow distributor in Colorado. I signed over some product certificates that I earned by advancing 2 ranks to Emerald Executive. Product certificates we get as distributors when we make commissionable sales, and they're like money, but they can only be used towards products. So she had this one. Minimat is about 20 inches by 33 inches. I'm taking it out of the box. It's going to have a dent on the semi-hard shell carrying case, but it's not a big deal. This, brand new, to have it drop shipped from our warehouse in Chicago, would have been $670 and $40 shipping. I won't say exactly how much I got it for, but to put it this way, I'm a happy camper. Now I get to help out people with pets, cancer, although it's not FDA approved for cancer, but it's great for that. You can read about it in a book called The Fourth Treatment for Medical Refugees. Again, that cancer book is called The Fourth Treatment for Medical Refugees. I'm opening up the case right here. It's got a nice sturdy handle and a shoulder strap here. As you can see, let's get that out of the way. And voila! Here we go. Isn't that beautiful? You have pure amethyst alternating with black tourmaline going all the way across the width of it. This is the temperature control panel